Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply make an Netflix account. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we will simply start our video. So what you gotta do is simply go to your Netflix app. Make sure you have installed that app here in your mobile phone. Simply go ahead and open your app up. You can see this option called get started right there, right? Simply tap on that get started option, enter your email address right there, tap on get started. So just create a password for your Netflix account. Once you're done, simply go ahead, tap on continue option, and as you can see here it says account created. So as you can see, now I have to go to my emails where I have got a email from Netflix itself, and as you can see I have got a email from Netflix. I'll tap on this continue option given and tap on this finish sign up option, right? And you, as you can see, choose your plan. Simply tap on this next option again, and now as you can see here, you can see all of the details of the offers, right? So you can go ahead, choose any of the plans that you want to continue with. Simply go ahead, choose that one, tap on this next option, and you will have to enter how you would like to pay for those plans that you just added right there for your account. If you got PayPal, simply go ahead, tap on it, and then the other thing that you can do is tap on this Visa or debit card. If this is how you're gonna pay, simply add your card number. You can go ahead, change your how much you're gonna pay for that plan as well. Tap on this I agree, start membership, tap on it, and this will they will automatically start cutting the amount from your debit card or Visa card that you just added, and you will be able to surf your Netflix like that. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.